Welcome back to Connector Academy, where we take a deep dive on automotive connectors. Today we're focusing on DTP connectors. Let's get into it. DTP stands for Deutsch Thermoplastic Power, and that word power is the important part. These terminals are designed to carry 25 amps. DTP connectors come in two flavors, 2-position and 4-position. These connectors are designed for higher current automotive circuits. You'll typically see these connectors used for fans, fuel pumps, power distribution, and other high-draw accessories. They use size 12 power terminals, which allows them to safely carry significantly more current than DT or DTM connectors. Even though they look similar, they're meant for different jobs. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other playlists, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.